just filming, and I thought I would hop on here and just like give you a peek behind what I do when I'm filming books for my YouTube channel. If you haven't checked it out yet, when I hop off this live, I'll put the link in the comments. You can find it and go check it out. But it's Kelly's Reading Corner on YouTube, and I started it because I've always enjoyed video. I've always liked going live and stuff like that, like for years and years. And so I wanted to get into a little bit more of that with my book business. And so I started the channel like mainly with the idea of doing thorough and professional looking flip through videos. And that is a lot of what I do, because I know when you're shopping for children's books online through Usborne Books and More, you want to see inside the books, you know, and so it's like the one little inside look on the website doesn't always do it for you. And so I started with that, flip through videos, and it's great because I can look like this, and I don't need to be on camera all the time. So on my channel, I post a new flip through video every single day, actually 1 or 2 days a week now, usually once. I post a video like with my face talking about either parts of my business or a certain series or type of book. And so the other 6 days we post a flip through video. So it's just like a quick, usually about 1 minute long or less, just a quick look inside of a different book. And so there's like, is there hundreds on there yet? I don't know. There's a lot on there. So anyway, if you're curious, I hope you go check it out. Let me flip my camera and show you what I'm doing today. So I am so grateful to my parents for allowing me to have my office in their house and my little filming studio, just because we have a really small apartment, so there's just definitely not room for it. But so I bought this setup, the 2 umbrella lights and the backdrop from Amazon for, I think it was like $100 last summer, 2020. And then I got this like camera stand for overhead. I got the camera quite a while ago. That desk I was going to maybe use for a desk, and I ended up not using it for a desk, but it's a really nice backdrop for all of my flip through videos. So if you check out my YouTube, you'll see that there. So, yeah, I've been playing around a little bit with where to put the lights, or if these are good lights, or if I should upgrade or whatever. So I'm still kind of considering that. I have my tripod here too. That's where I hold my phone when I do go live. So yeah, when I film videos, I just stand this up straight, and I just bring the umbrella lights around a little bit so they shine on me with the backdrop. And so that's where I film my like talking videos too. We just moved this to this area. It used to be in a different corner of the basement, so I don't really have a table to put books right now. So as I'm cycling through the books, I have them on the floor. But yeah, this is it. And so I already took photos of all the books. Now I'm doing video, so I'll just start the video and you'll see my hands, and I'll just kind of flip through. The ones I'm doing right now, these next few are some of our phonics readers. They have a QR code to hear it. So in the videos, when I do my flip throughs for those, I will actually put my phone in the image, and I'll do the QR code and kind of show people how that works. So that is what I'm doing today. I'm filming that little pile, and then I have like 100, a little under 100, but I have a lot of new titles that just came out last week, 2 weeks ago. 2 weeks ago, and so I'm going to be filming all of those. And so yeah, I just film a ton at a time, and then my virtual assistant edits them, and we get them posted, and it's good times. Hope you enjoyed this little look behind the scenes.